G'day guys, just a little bit of like a kind of update kind of video. We are chipping away at my car slowly. It's just really hot here and I was busy with school because it was end of term and assessments and whatever. Dad's been hogging the shed, spending time on this thing instead of my car, but I do have some exciting news in this box. So we've been working on something and it's finally arrived, so we get to show you. Alright, anyone guess what this is? So we've got our new logo. So we got this made, just Dad reached out to a guy. So it's got Pit Crew written on it because this is for me and like my brothers and stuff. But check that out. It's our new design. Woo! Looks pretty good. That's sick. So, that's obviously Dad's colour, the Calais. This is what my car's hopefully going to look like when we're done painting it. And yeah, both doing skids. Got the Christmas tree here. See on there, it's got VL Life written on there. All the lights, staging lights, whatever. Got VL Life written on number plates. YouTube logo. All looks pretty good. So we had some family and friends asking how they could support us. So got some shirts made with our logo on it. My uncle printed these shirts out for us. He works at a place on the sunny coast. It's called Trapdoor Print. So yeah, he hooked us up with these nice shirts. Thanks Uncle Matt, looks awesome. If you guys are interested in these shirts, yeah, let us know down in the comments. We could get some more made and we could hopefully ship them out to some of you guys. Thanks for watching guys. Hopefully next time I see you, we'll have a video out on my build soon.
If you're not doing it tonight, you should check out VL Life, baby. YouTube, look it up. Oh yeah. Woo.